Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science session. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start chapter number 11, Work and Energy from Physics. So a term comes energy. As we all know that all living beings, whether human, animal or birds, perform several basic activities to survive themselves. And such activities are called the life processes, right? And energy for these processes comes from food we take, right? So we need energy for some common activities like for writing, reading, walking, running, singing, dancing, jumping, cycling and so many others. And the more stressness activities requires more energy. So where we get energy? We get energy from food. So thus we find that living beings and machineries also need energy for perform different sort of activities and for doing work. Now a term comes that is work. Work we mean any kind of mental and physical activities. If we talk ordinarily, it means any mental and physical activities, that is work. But if we talk according to science, in physics, work has different meaning. Means, according to the scientific definition of work, we say that work has done on an object when some force is being applied on the object and the object moves through a certain distance in the direction of applied force. Suppose here we are pushing a wall, right? So we are doing work or we are applying our force, but it is actually a work. The wall will move or wall will displace from their position. No, the wall will remain as it is, and so we can say that here no work is done, right? So student, work means when we are applying force in any object and it moves from their position or displaced from its, then we say that work is done. And if we are pushing anything or pulling and the object remain as it is, as the wall is stationary, doesn't move, doesn't displace, so we say here that work will be zero. Here work done is zero, right? So the formula of work is force multiplied by the displacement. Force which we have applied and displacement, how much the object is moved from that particular place, right? So you can observe here, if we put 0 in place of d, that is displacement. If there is no displacement, then the work done will be 0, right? According to that formula. So according to physics, work will only be done when the object will be displaced from their original position. Otherwise, we say that no work will be done. Here you can see that a, a person is displacing or pushing a block by applying force, right? And the block displaces from their position by the distance. Displacement is d. So here the work will be W equals to F into D. F is force and D is the displacement, right? And we know that force is a scalar quantity and displacement is also a scalar quantity, right? So what will be the resultant? Work will be a scalar quantity, right? Because work done by a constant force acting on an object is equal to the product of the magnitude of force and the displacement. So work is a scalar quantity. SI unit of work is joule. It is same as that of the energy. Now work can be positive or negative. Suppose here in this activity a baby is pulling a toy car parallel to the ground. The baby has exerted a force in the direction of displacement of the car. Means baby is pulling and the car is also pulling, moving in the same direction. Both force and the displacement are in the same direction. So here we can say that work done is positive, right? And if we take another example, for let us consider the game of tug of war in which two teams pull the rope, right? In this game, the work done by the winning team is positive because force and displacement are in the same direction. But on the other hand, the work done by the losing team is negative, will be considered as negative because the direction of the force applied is opposite to the direction of the displacement. So these are two types of work, that is positive and negative. If force and displacement are occurring in same direction, then the work will be positive, and if force and displacement are in opposite direction, then the work done will be negative.